latest, the state that has now come out to allow Ramadan relaxation is Chhattisgarh, where the BJP government has permitted Muslim government employees to leave work an hour early during the holy month. And this move follows similar orders that was given by the state governments of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It is worth noting that the BJP previously criticized the Congress government's decision and had called it as an appeasement tactic, had stated that similar courtesy should also be extended to Hindus and even when it comes to the staff during the festivals that they celebrate. The BJP has argued that selective concessions may create a perception of discrimination. Now the BJP claims that the Congress party had consistently engaged in appeasement. They pointed out that Chief Minister Revanth Reddy of Telangana stated that Congress means Muslims and Muslims mean Congress, meanwhile further asserting that Muslims are nothing without the Congress. The BJP also says that Revanth Reddy had openly reaffirmed his government's commitment of maintaining 4% minority reservation in Telangana. Let's get connected with Kritika on this. Well, Kritika, how will the state government give an explanation as far as the similar orders that are being already followed in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh have also been taken up now in Chhattisgarh?
Well, yes, currently the Muslim employees have been allowed to leave an hour early in lieu of the holy month of Ramzan. And this earlier, remember, has been criticized by the Bharatiya Janata Party when it was levied, when such an order was passed in the state of Telangana, as being of appeasement politics. Then the Revanth Reddy government was attacked for only catering to the needs of Muslims, and also BJP had pointed out that such a specific allowance would only lead to more discrimination. But now that the Chhattisgarh government has also passed such an order, it remains to be seen what BJP has to say now, because this order, remember, also has been passed in light in order to ensure that employees who will be fasting during this month can leave for their homes early in times for the to offer namaz, as well as to prepare for breaking their fast as well. Now, earlier a lot of politics had boiled over between Congress and BJP over the politics revolving the specific leave, the specific concession that was being given. And now, with the Chhattisgarh government also stepping in, we have to look forward to what
will they
BJP
now walk the talk
now.
and extend similar courtesies to Hindu government employees as well when they celebrate their respective festivals? Kritika, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. We'll be back after a very short break. You're watching Times Now.